Question 3, you're going to simplify by multiplying the polynomial. I already did the first 4. Here in this video, I'm going to do the last 4. Let's look at E. We're going to distribute the 3n squared times the n squared. So 3n squared parentheses n squared. Then distribute the 3n squared into the negative 6n. So I write 3n squared parentheses negative 6n close parentheses. You have a 3 here. N squared times n squared is n to the 4th. The 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. N squared, and n becomes n to the 3rd when you multiply. Next, we distribute the 2x cubed to the first term. 2x cubed parentheses 3x squared. We repeat that process. The 2x cubed parentheses 5k. Then the last one, it is going to be 2x cubed parentheses negative 4. Now we can do it. 2 times 3, it is 6. We have an x cubed, k to the 2nd. They're different variables. They don't combine. Okay, plus 2 times 5 is just 10. X cubed and k, so it's x cubed and a k. Then we have plus 2 times negative 4, it is a negative 8 x cubed. 4. Hold on. So letter G. So the 4y cubed is going to be distributed to the first term. So 4y cubed parentheses 2xy squared close the parentheses. The 4y cubed is going to be distributed to the second term, negative x squared y squared. Then we have the 4y cubed is going to be distributed to just the y. Okay, now we can, you see how it's just multiplied to each term. I write it out. Now we can multiply 4 times 2, it is 8 y cubed. Oops, sorry, let's put the x first. Do you see how there's an x there? So it's x y cubed, y squared becomes y to the 5th. Okay, when we have a 4 and a negative 1, so that's a negative 4. We have a x squared right here. Then we have a y cubed, no, y to the 3rd power, y to the 2nd power, so it's y to the 5th power. Then we have y here, a 4 here, y to the 3rd, and a y, so that's y to the 4th. Okay, because when you're multiplying, the exponents add. And here's h. We're going to distribute the 9x squared y, 9x squared y to the first term, parentheses x squared. Then the 9x squared y is going to be multiplied to the second term, which is the xy. Then the 9x squared y is going to be multiplied to the last term of y squared. Okay, 9 times the number of 1, so that's 9. X squared becomes x to the 4th, and then just a y. Plus 9 times 1 is 9. You have x squared and an x, so x third. You have a y and a y becomes y squared. Plus 9 times 1 is just a 9. X squared, y squared, y to the 3rd. All right, so there you go. That is how you multiply the polynomials.